video we will use the Ness Frappe
a quick one
kit set to make a Greek frappe, like when you're on the go.
and we will do
This set
like
has
so. You have
an
to add
instant
sugar.
coffee, a straw and a pack of sugar. You just need to add water and ice. I have both of them, and we will start right now with a little bit of sugar. I don't need very much, and then I will break the instant coffee sachet and put it in along with the ice, water and shaky. There we go. It will create a lot of foam. It's not the best Greek frappe that I ever drank, but it does its job. It's easy, it's on to go to have with you whenever you need it. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will let you see the final results.
Shake.